When you walk outdoors and notice white earth or rocks beneath your feet, you might be standing on a hidden industrial treasure. This is chalk, one of the world's most critical raw materials, with a staggering global demand of nearly 100 million tons per year. Chalk is more than just stone. It is a biological cemetery. Formed over 100 million years ago during the Cretaceous period, chalk comes from microscopic plankton called coccolithophores. These tiny organisms left behind pure calcium carbonate shells, creating a mineral that is uniquely uniform, fine, and high in purity. For centuries, humans have utilized this gift. In ancient China, it was a protective base for murals. In the 1800s, it became the world's favorite classroom chalk due to its legendary silkiness. But today, its greatest industrial value lies in ground calcium carbonate, GCC. In modern industry, chalk-based GCC is the invisible backbone of our homes. In putty powder, it makes up 70% to 80% of the formula. In paper production, GCC improves brightness and opacity. It also reduces production cost in industries such as rubber, plastics, and sealants. Calcium carbonate is essential to modern industrial production, but turning raw chalk into white gold requires precision. Daswell provides the complete processing chain, from primary crushing and superfine grinding to precision classifying and surface modification. We provide more than just fine powder machinery. We deliver production solutions for application-ready functional materials with superior surface coating performance. From raw chalk to high-value GCC powder, Daswell helps you build efficient and profitable production lines. Contact us today to customize your solution.